Recut is one of the most powerful editing tools in Sora, and it lets me trim down and extend any segment of an existing video. We'd like to show you how it works. Sora has given me 3 distinct cuts of a robot on a remote hillside. Now, I really love this first second, but once it cuts into a close-up, that's just not what I had in mind. So, I'll use Recut to extend this first part into a new 5-second video. Recut has now taken my existing clip and imported it into a storyboard. I can see and play back my clip in the timeline, or I can take this and trim my clip down to just the segment that I like. Perfect. Now here's the segment I want to extend, and I'll leave the rest of the timeline empty to give Sora the ability to imagine the extension. So let's hit create and see what it makes. Here's the result. Sora has now taken my 1 second of the video and seamlessly extended it into a new 5-second video. So instead of the 3 distinct cuts, I now have one continuous shot of my robot on a remote hillside, where they've always belonged.